Assalamualaikum. Hope you all are safe. May Allah bless you always. We are going to study chemistry, chapter number 12, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Before starting the chapter, let us have some introduction regarding it. As we know, there are various branches of chemistry. This chapter deals with organic chemistry. Chapter consists of three different organic compound, that is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. What is organic compound? The compound which contain carbon in its structure, that is your organic compound. Here aldehyde and ketone are closely related to each other, while carboxylic acid is slightly different from them. The common thing in all of the three is C double bond O. What is C double bond O? C double bond O is your carbonyl group, in which this oxygen is known as carbonyl oxygen. This carbon is known as carbonyl carbon. Now let's start the chapter with aldehyde. Aldehyde are the first oxidation product of primary alcohol. Functional group of aldehyde, C double bond OH, which can also be represented as CHO, known as formyl group or aldehydic carbonyl group. Here we have studied the definition of aldehyde, that it is the first oxidation product of primary alcohol. Let us take one of the example from it. CH3 CH2 OH, that is your ethanol, which is a primary alcohol. Why it is primary alcohol? As the functional group in alcohol is OH, which is linked to R, that is here ROH. Here OH is linked to this carbon. This carbon is directly linked to one more carbon. I am repeating it again. When OH is linked to this carbon in turn linked to only one carbon, that is your primary alcohol. You have taken ethanol, 2 carbon for it, all for alcohol. This ethanol undergoes oxidation. In the presence of suitable oxidizing agent, we will get ethanol. C double bond OH. This is your aldehydic group with the liberation of water molecule. Now ketone. Ketone are the first oxidation product of secondary alcohol. Have you remember the definition of aldehyde? What we have stated? Aldehyde are the first oxidation product of primary alcohol. In the same definition, aldehyde is being replaced by ketone and primary is being replaced by secondary. So they are very much similar to each other. Both are the first oxidation product. Aldehyde is the first oxidation product of primary alcohol, while ketone is the first oxidation product of secondary alcohol. The functional group of ketone is C double bond O, that is your carbonyl group. Here, one of the valency of carbon is being satisfied by R or AR, and the other valency is being satisfied by R or AR. We will study this later in classification of ketone. In short, RC double bond O, R is the functional group for ketone, which is known as oxo or ketonic carbonyl group. Let us have one reaction for the preparation of ketone. Isopropyl alcohol. This is your secondary alcohol. As the functional group of alcohol is linked to this carbon in turn linked to 2 more carbon. So that is your secondary alcohol. This secondary alcohol, in the presence of suitable oxidizing agent, undergoes oxidation reaction and gives you ketone. Here we are getting acetone from isopropyl alcohol with the liberation of H2. Aldehyde and ketone are functional isomer. This is an additional information. What do you mean by functional isomers? The compound having same molecular formula but different functional group. Here aldehyde and ketone both are having same molecular formula, that is your CnH2nO, but both of them are having different functional group. Aldehyde having functional group are CHO, while ketone having functional group are C double bond OR. So both of them are functional isomers of each other. Now we are going to study carboxylic acid. What is carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acid are organic compound contain carboxyl group. Carboxyl group. What is carboxyl group? It is a combination of carbonyl and hydroxyl group. As we know, C double bond O is your carbonyl group. OH is your hydroxyl group. They together merge and will give you carboxyl group. Functional group of carboxylic acid, C double bond O OH. Here one of the valency will be satisfied by either R or AR. Now additional information regarding carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid and ester are functional isomers of each other. What is functional isomers? Yes, functional isomers are those compounds which having same molecular formula but different functional group. Here carboxylic acid and ester both having CnH2nO2 as a molecular formula. The functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH, while the functional group for ester is COOR. We are moving towards classification. Firstly, we are going to study classification of aldehyde. It has been classified into two types: aliphatic aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde. First, we are going to study aliphatic aldehyde. This is the functional group for aldehyde. When the functional group is directly linked to R, that is your alkyl group, that is your aliphatic aldehyde. R will be open chain compound. Now here CHO, it is linked to this carbon. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. This carbon should be saturated. What is saturated? Open chain. Exceptional is the case in aliphatic aldehyde SCHO. Here the functional group is directly linked to hydrogen. It is not linked to carbon, it is linked to hydrogen, and the name of the compound is formaldehyde. Let us have some of the example of aliphatic aldehyde. Functional group of aldehyde which is linked to methyl, and the name of the compound is acetaldehyde. Second example, functional group is linked to the carbon CH2, which in turn links to CH3, which is an open chain compound, and the name of the compound is propionaldehyde. Now second classification of aldehyde is aromatic aldehyde. See, when the CHO group is linked to aromatic compound, that is your aromatic aldehyde. What is aromatic compound? Cyclic compound. Especially we take a benzene an example. Now your CHO group is linked to benzene, which is an aromatic compound. So this is your aromatic aldehyde. This CHO group is linked to benzene carbon. This carbon is sp2 hybridized. Let us have some of the example. CHO group is linked to benzene. The name of the compound is benzaldehyde. Another example, CHO group is linked to benzene, which is an aromatic compound, and one more functional group is present, OH. The name of the compound is salicylic aldehyde. Classification of ketone. It has further classified. Now, classification of ketone. It has been classified into two types: aliphatic ketone, aromatic ketone. C double bond O, that is your carbonyl group, when it is linked to R and R, that is your aliphatic compound. It is your aliphatic ketone. Now it is further classified into two types: simple or mix. Let us first study simple. The functional group of ketone is C double bond O, R, R. Here 2R is being present. Let us take this one is R, this one is as R dash. When R and R dash is same, that is your simple or symmetrical ketone. Example for the same, C double bond O. Here this R is CH3, this R dash is CH3. Here R is equal to R dash. So this comes under simple or symmetrical ketone, and the name of the compound is dimethyl ketone. Another example, C2H5, C double bond O, C2H5. Let us take it at R and it as R dash. Here R is equal to R dash because both are C2H5. So this is your simple ketone, and the name of the compound is dimethyl ketone. Now second, mix or unsymmetrical ketone. Here R and R dash will not be equal. It means they will be different. Let us have an example, C double bond O. This one is your R, this is your R dash. Here R is your CH3 and R dash is your C2H5. One is methyl, another is ethyl. Both are different. So this is your mix or unsymmetrical ketone, and the name of the compound is ethyl methyl ketone. Another example, C2H5. This is your R. CH2, CH2, CH3. This is your R dash. Here R and R dash are different. One is ethyl, another is N-propyl. So it is a mixed ketone, and the name of the compound is ethyl N-propyl ketone. This is the first classification of ketone. Let's move toward the second classification, that is your aromatic ketone. What is aromatic ketone? When carbon, which carbon? Carbonyl carbon is linked to an aromatic compound, that will be your aromatic ketone. It might be one aromatic compound, it might be two aromatic compound. Let us have an example. Here C double bond O, this carbonyl carbon is linked to benzene, while the other valency of carbon is satisfied by methyl. So the name of the compound is methyl diphenyl ketone. Other name for this compound is acetophenone. Now another example, when carbon, which carbon? Carbonyl carbon is linked from both the side to an aromatic compound. C double bond O. Here this valency is satisfied by an aromatic compound. This valency of carbon is satisfied by an aromatic compound. The name of the compound is diphenyl ketone, or it is also known as benzophenone. Classification of carboxylic acid. It is further classified into two types, aliphatic and aromatic carboxylic acid. Let's first study about aliphatic carboxylic acid. As we know, COH is the functional group for acid. When this acid is directly linked to R, which is an open chain compound, that is your aliphatic carboxylic acid. Here we are having an exceptional case when COH group is directly linked to hydrogen. It is not linked to carbon, it is linked to hydrogen. And the name of the compound is formic acid. Comes under aliphatic carboxylic acid. Aliphatic carboxylic acid is further classified into mono, di, tri. What is mono? Mono means one. Any of the compound which containing one COH group in its structure comes under monocarboxylic acid. Let us have some of the example. HCOOH, that is a formic acid. It contains one carboxylic group, so it comes under monocarboxylic acid. Another example, CH3COOH. It contains how many carboxylic acid? One. And the name of the compound is acetic acid. Additional information, acetic acid is a key ingredient in vinegar. Last example, CH3CH2COH. Again it contains one carboxylic acid, and the name of the compound is propionic acid. There are many more examples for the same. So we have studied formic acid, acetic acid and propionic acid under monocarboxylic acid. Second classification of aliphatic carboxylic acid is di. Di means two. Any of the compound which contain two carboxylic group in its structure is your dicarboxylic acid. Let us have an example. Oxalic acid. The structure of oxalic acid. It contains how many carboxylic group? Two. So that is your dicarboxylic acid. Here adipic acid. CH2, 4 molecule, which is being attached to COH and COH. Again, how many carboxylic group is present over here? 2. So it is your dicarboxylic acid. The last classification of aliphatic carboxylic acid is tri. Tri means 3. When it contains 3 carboxylic group in its structure, it is your tricarboxylic acid. Here we are taking citric acid, but it is been present. It is been usually we are stating that it is been present in lemon or sour compound. Okay, so CH2COH, COH, CH2COH. This is your citric acid. It containing how many carboxylic group? 3. So it comes under tricarboxylic acid. Now second classification of carboxylic acid is aromatic carboxylic acid. When the functional group is attached to an aromatic compound, that is your aromatic carboxylic acid. Here COH group is attached to benzene. So that is your benzoic acid. Another example, COH group is attached to benzene and one more OH group is attached to benzene. And the name of the compound is salicylic acid. Let us review what we have studied yet. Aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. In this we have studied what is aldehyde. What is aldehyde? Aldehyde is the first oxidation, yes, product of primary alcohol. Fine, this is your aldehyde. Aldehyde is the first oxidation product of primary alcohol. Functional group RCHO. Ketone. Ketone is the first oxidation product of secondary alcohol. Functional group for ketone C double bond O R R. Let us take R in all of the cases. The next is your carboxylic acid. What is carboxylic acid? Organic compound which contain carboxyl group in its structure. What is carboxyl group? It is a combination of carbonyl and hydroxyl group, which will give you C double bond O OH, which is the functional group for carboxylic acid. Then we have studied classification of aldehyde. It has been classified into two types, aliphatic, aromatic. When the functional group is attached to an aliphatic compound, that is your open chain compound, that is your aliphatic carboxylic acid. When the functional group is attached to an aromatic compound, that is your aromatic aldehyde. Remember, these functional groups should be directly linked to an aliphatic or aromatic compound. Next, classification of ketone. It is again classified into two types, aliphatic and aromatic. What is aliphatic? When the functional group of ketone is linked to an open chain compound. What is aromatic? When the functional group is linked to an aromatic compound. Here it might be aromatic or R. Now, here in aliphatic ketone, it is further classified into simple, mix. What is simple? When R and R dash will be equal. Which are? This R and this R dash will be equal. It is also known as symmetrical ketone. What is mixed ketone? When R and R dash is not same. That is your mixed ketone or unsymmetrical ketone. The last classification is classification of carboxylic acid. It has been classified into two types, aliphatic, aromatic. Aliphatic, when the functional group is attached to an aliphatic compound. Aromatic, when the functional group is attached to an aromatic compound. Aliphatic carboxylic acid is further classified into three types, mono, di, tri. What is mono? 1. Di, 2. Tri, 3. What is 1? Means it contains one COH group. That is the carboxylic acid group in its structure. Di contain 2 COH group in its structure. Tri contain 3 COH group in its structure. Hope you all have understood. Thank you. In the next lecture, we are going to study nomenclature of these organic compounds.